Keith and I are on our way to meet somebody very important. Somebody I've always wanted to meet. She's quite the celebrity. And I just can't tell you who it is just yet. But I got a gift. And I'm super excited. Yes, super excited. You can't just be excited on a day like today, right, Keith? This has been a long time coming. And you're never gonna guess. So, I just want to see if you would guess. In the comment section down below, stop the video and tell me who you think it is that Keith and I are going to meet. All right, start your guessing. Okay, turn that off. We're waiting, you guys. We're waiting for our guest. We're so excited. Aren't we excited, Keith? Mm-hmm. I really am. I am so excited. I haven't been this excited since, I don't know when, since the day I married Keith. Or I mean, Keith hasn't been, is that them? Nope. I think she had Alexis at one time. Keith hasn't been this excited since the day he married me. Mm-hmm. Look how excited he is. Right, Keith?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Any minute now, you guys. They're going to be here. Just waiting.
Dude, that's hilarious.
I cannot believe who is next to me. You guys are never going to believe it. Oh, my gosh. It's a couple of movie stars. Yes. Who is it? Oh, my God. Yota! Hi.
Okay, I wasn't even pointing the camera there. What do you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
That's exactly right.
We got it.
All right. Okay, follow us.
Okay.
Where'd they go? Okay. Where did they go? Where did they? Oh, okay. Okay. This is gonna be exciting. I think so.
Yeah.
And a little
I didn't You're cute.
She's making me film.
I'm
How you
getting
doing?
there, not
Good,
yet.
Good. What's your name
No,
again?
it's
Bill.
cute,
Bill.
right?
Okay.
He was gonna have it done up.
look at finally.
What? Hey. Oh my gosh. You're traveling alone.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, that's okay.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
We're just walking down through Mayberry.
Pals, two besties.
Just two besties.
Just out doing the damn thing, and this guy we picked
some
up.
dude following us. Oops.
What's he
He
doing?
ran
What
into
the
me.
heck?
I think he tried to
That guy-
pickpocket me.
That guy grabbed both of our asses. And I liked it.
And you like that. See, we have all kinds of cute little stores.
Yeah.
I'm just showing Winnie around. This is Galt Avenue.
Oh, yeah.
Our little
love this.
She would, wouldn't she?
Where is it, buddy?
There's all kinds of little stores to go into.
Is out.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Halloween. Woo! Halloween. But it's cute, isn't it? Cute here?
Yeah, it's I love it.
So, I mean, we have all kinds of cute. Oh, and if we had more time, next time you guys come, y'all need to come spend the weekend.
Yes.
We'll take you up to Mentone where all the hippies are.
Oh, yeah.
We'll run into Keith's wife. Ex-wife. Wait, I'm his wife. His ex-wife. Okay, you'll see. There's some of her work in here. So right now I'm taking them to the Makers Market. It's the gallery. I used to have work there, but now my work's somewhere else. They're a little more responsible.
I feel you.
But hang on, I'm gonna stop here and put my Band-Aid on. I hurt my toe.
Bandage.
I hurt my toe. Okay. Well, there's Winnie at the Makers Market and Bill. Fancy meeting you here. There is no telling where they'll end up. Oh, he's looking for t-shirts. Isn't that beautiful?
We loved that one. That was our favorite.
Buy it.
Yeah, buy
Yeah,
it,
you
Keith.
should.
That is beautiful.
Were you gonna put it in
Who
your
painted
office?
that? Hold it up,
Cool.
Keith.
I love it. Yeah.
Yes, me
I can
too.
see you. That's very rock and roll.
Who did that? Barry.
those are
Courtney Kinnaman.
Yes, she's really good, Keith. Yeah, very good. Keith found a painting.
Yeah, that's an Excel. Get that one. Okay, thank you. Oh, we got a Dolly shirt all the way in Alabama.
Hey, I need one.
Oh, you do.
I want a large.
You
Is there any large?
Did you find a large bag?
Most of them are large.
Okay. Oh, they are? Okay.
This is a medium.
Yeah.
Most of these.
Hold up
Here's
the,
one. Yeah, that's
hold up the large so I can look at it.
Let's see it on the bouzons.
See, because I like mine big to where we look. Oh yeah, I want a large.
Yeah, that'll.
Okay, we'll
that
match.
might be a little big on you.
I don't care. I like it like that. Me and Winnie found matching t-shirts. So I used to have work here, but I'm gonna have some Christmas stuff back in here. There's so many cute things here. Hey, look at above your head. Look how beautiful. Up here, Winnie.
Oh,
These.
Oh yeah, these.
Aren't those gorgeous? I might
That
have
would
to.
stay inside.
are those
Oh.
wind chimes?
I would put it in my art room.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at the purple one.
I love it.
Oh, I love it. Yeah.
I'm a purple fanatic.
Yes.
Yes.
I was a Prince fanatic.
Homemade soaps here. We did this one year and gifted everybody for Christmas these homemade bar soaps, and everybody was kind of like,
All right, so my friend Judy Nicole is going to sing a song for Winnie and Bill, and she's tuning her guitar. All right. Who is that woman behind me?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Keith, you got to hear this. Look at those beautiful paintings. I just love those. Those are very realistic.
Very, like something my grandmother would hang up.
Uh-huh.
You know what I mean? I still got paintings like that.
Do you?
I need to figure out how to clean them.
Yeah. Oh, clean the paintings? Okay.
Without like damage.
Yeah. Are they oils?
I think.
Why am I
so.
just
They're
sitting here
kinda
holding
like
it in one
this.
spot? Bill and Teddy. We got, wait,
That's
Jeff
Randy.
Cook. No, wait.
That's
No,
Jeff Cook.
here's Teddy. Okay.
This is Jeff here.
Jeff Cook, yes.
Jeff.
Jeff Cook and Teddy. No, wait. That's Randy Owens.
Randy.
That is Randy Owens, yes.
Randy was the
Okay.
hot one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Everybody wanted to get with Randy.
He was, yeah. And then we got Mark over here. He's salty.
Broke off his drumsticks.
I know.
Yeah, see, they got the name in front of
He
them.
said, come on, play me some mountain music.
Here's Teddy.
Teddy right there is the bass player.
Yeah. But listen, Mark here.
Stole the guy's drumsticks,
Mark
right?
here is salty. Because
Huh?
he's salty.
Yeah, this is the one that
Yeah.
doesn't smile.
Yeah, he's salty though
He's
because
salty as hell.
they pretty much kicked him out.
Oh, well, I don't blame him then. No wonder he doesn't smile.
But Keith said he was never officially a part of the band,
Yeah.
and he didn't make the money the rest of them made.
Ah,
I'd be
that
salty
would
too.
that
Uh-huh.
makes me mad
yeah.
too.
He's very
Yeah.
salty.
Well, he was a hired
Yeah.
hand.
Yeah, he was, yeah.
Yeah.
They
Uh-huh.
needed a drummer.
And see, I always
$40,000
thought,
a year. Okay.
right. I always thought that he was a part of the band, but he's
Wow,
not
whoever did these, like,
They're good,
really
aren't they?
did a great job. Yeah.
anymore. I've done it so much.
You're like,
All right, so what do you think about Fort Payne?
love it. It's a
Yeah?
gorgeous little town.
Isn't
yeah,
it?
it's
Isn't it
very
cute?
cute. I love it.
Yeah,
I
this
love
is just, I mean, there's more to it, but this is the cute little downtown part.
I am having a ball. I hate that we have to leave and go see our daughter.
I know.
Our grandkids.
I know, poo-poo
We're
on
having
them.
so much fun. We had dinner, a movie, a show.
It's very cultured here.
I
Did
know.
I not tell?
We
I
had
tried to tell.
museums.
Dawn thinks she's the only one that has culture.
Please.
Tell her, Dawn.
This
Tell her,
place
Winnie.
is loaded with it. Loaded.
That is right. Loaded with culture.
Love it. We've had us a big day.
The next time you guys come through, well, you can just come spend the weekend sometime.
Yes.
Yeah. Take you up to the hippie, up to see all the hippies.
Oh, I love it. I'm down.
It's so fun. Oh,
I'll
gosh.
definitely wear stuff where I'm not melting.
Yes. Yeah, that's why I'm not naked. Let me just say that.
Yes, she is. We just got a room. We'll be back.